are definitely in the era of challenges, whether it's planking challenge or the Harlem Shake challenge or the most recent, the Shiggy challenge, which is that one where you see everybody jumping out of the car, but Kiki, do you love me? Are you running? So you never leave. Yeah, them there. Drake's In My Feelings while outside trying to keep up with a moving vehicle. Although there was one that me see with Bugle will make me pop up this week. The man said, Kiki. Yo, Kiki! Like I see my producer can't find it. And the Bugle have something to wait for him. You see?
A Kiki you want. All right.
Don't move.
When a Jamaican tell you, don't move, me so come.
Oh, gosh. Anyway, Ciara is entering the mix. I love her and I love this song. With a spin. Yes, she wants fans to bust out their best moves to her new track, Level Up, Level Up, Level Up, Level Up, Level Up. But also to share 3 ways in which they want to level up or better themselves. 3 ways she posted she wants to level up are use cell phones less, read more, take better care of herself as a working mom. Isn't that cute? What are 3 ways you want to level up doing?
I didn't think about it. No.
So think about it now.
You know,
what are 3 ways you guys want to level up?
I actually had a discussion a couple months back with Jeffrey Azan, and he was the first person I heard with this term, level up. You know, and for me, I think going back to school would be a big one for me.
Aww.
In leveling up, becoming my master's or whatever. The second one, give back to nation building. And the third one...
You say you never think about this?
No, but just think about it off the fly.
Anyway,
a long term something. And the last one... I don't know. Probably shower a little bit.
Shower
more.
a little more?
Yeah.
So you don't bathe on a regular?
I do, but
how often do you bathe? Once for the day? One time you got to don't bathe in the night. You bathe in the morning?
Night.
So you don't bathe in the morning when you get up?
So you
come out of your house and come on the road at morning time and go around people and you don't bathe?
It depends on time of bathe.
So when you need to level up?
Yeah,
level up with the bathroom.
Water shortage. Water shortage.
That's not an excuse. You
NWC.
You bathe this morning, you have tash.
I have a bucket this morning. Cold water. Bucket. I'm just throwing it from my head. Anyways, for all the gamers or everyone interested in gaming, these are for you. So, all right, let me tell you this. This game, Fortnite, I have some of my nephews here with me, and that's all they play.
How many of them?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
And you're responsible for all 5 of them over the summer?
I think I really, because of these boys, kids.
Welcome to parenting.
Yeah. But it's fun though. The Fortnite game is 2017 video developed by Epic Games. It's free on, I think, whatever platforms they play.
It's free.
PS4, Xbox, whatever. Fortnite is distributed as 2 different games though. Each game uses the same engine and has similar graphics, art assets, and game mechanics. Fortnite Save the World and Fortnite Build Battlegrounds is a player versus player action game, and they can play for hours and hours and hours.
It looks like it's a stress out, so isn't it a good thing if you have that to keep them occupied?
Yeah, but sometimes Khalif, Cottrell, Dante, and Marquez, I think I need to read some more books.
Oh, you don't want them to play? Because in this one, I hear that they can play until like you fight to the death, like whoever.
Yeah, it is a battle royale. So it's like 100 people start,
and then you just fight
till you're the one.
That is so violent, though.
It isn't actually, you know. It's a fun kind of.
A fun kind of violence when you kill off people.
In a way. It is.
So to me, that's why I stick to my Wii, you know, Super Mario Brothers and them.
Yeah, it's a global thing, and they have a global tournament in Berlin that continues today into tomorrow, where 20 top professionals of the PUBG game teams from around the world compete for $2 million US.
Are you serious?
Yeah, man, video gaming is a big thing, you know. Big thing, big money earning thing.
So them have teams.
Yeah, I'd love to send these boys to Berlin.
I bet I'm learn and go to Berlin myself.
Yeah, I'd love to send them.
But materializing my $4 million US house.
I'd love to send them to Berlin though.
Send them now. Welcome to parenting, friend. That's what it's like. That's it for trending topics this morning, guys. Hope Dwayne survives the summer.
I will. Bye.